How to fix Facebook Messenger call ended in less than 1 minute. Welcome back guys to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger call ended. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Messenger and then click on Force Stop. After that, click on the storage and click on clear data and click on delete. Now all what you want to do next is open the Play Store, search for Messenger and update it. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to go back to the apps manager, open the apps, go to the Messenger, and you have to remove it or uninstall it from your phone and then re-download it. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.